I want to kind of nurture a calm state of mind when I'm out in public, and I want my dog to be as neutral as possible about what's going on around them, because most of the issues that you hired us for in the first place were centered around him not being able to be neutral around all this stuff. And you can see even right now, he's doing wonderful, but he's still not totally neutral. I mean, he's not making any major mistakes, but every time he's passing other dogs, there's still that little bit of tension of like, I really want to go over there. So every time the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, you do this and that doesn't happen and we keep him under control, that arousal comes down and down and down and down. He gets more and more neutral, and then you hit that sweet spot where he just walks by and he doesn't even pay him any mind. Like, that was great. That was probably the best one yet.